Welcome to the 28th issue of the weekly report. Let's begin with one major progress update and three notable events this week. The first batch of FX Super One complete sets of parts is scheduled for shipment starting as early as November 15th, with all shipping procedures confirmed. The shipment is expected to arrive at the port of Long Beach, Los Angeles, by the end of November, after which we will complete customers clearance and related processes. FX Super One will officially enter the pilot build and production phase. This also marks a key milestone for FX and the bridge strategy, and eventually the potential for mass production, subject to securing necessary agreements, funding, and permitting. Upon arrival at the Hanford factory, the components will be assembled together with US developed parts to produce the first batch of pilot vehicles, aiming to achieve the first vehicle roll-off by year-end. The team is now working at full throttle, working long hours and pushing hard toward this critical goal. Now, turning to the three notable events. First, the U.S. Supreme Court heard the Trump administration's tariff policy case. Meanwhile, the U.S. officially reduced the certain tariff on China by 10%, which could directly improve our cost structure and benefit not only the bridge strategy but also the entire industry. Second, Elon Musk's $1 trillion incentive plan was approved at the Tesla shareholder meeting. This once again proves that the founder model and the founder spirit are the fundamental driving forces of tech innovation companies, and also the best embodiment of the stockholders first principle. I, together with FF, will continue to strive to uphold this philosophy, to repay the support of every stockholder and user through re-elections. Third, John Williams, President of the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, signaled that the Fed is preparing to reject additional liquidity into financial markets. Its potential easing of dollar liquidity could benefit companies like FFAI. Now, let's take a look at the EAI Flywheel this week. On S1 user ecosystem, FF recently filed a utility patent application for a blockchain and Web3-based car sharing and short-term rental system. This system would allow users to initiate car sharing and short-term rentals with one click when their vehicles are idle. It would automatically perform identity and credit verification, billing, settlement, and revenue distribution, allowing earnings to flow not only to car owners and ecosystem participants, but also to service and branding. The result is a self-reinforcing cycle. The more you use, the more you earn, and the stronger the ecosystem becomes. This represents a major innovation within FF and FX user engagement and operations framework, illustrating high potential related to our dual flywheel and dual bridge model. It could further enhance the scalability and capital efficiency potential of our business model. Next, the company will continue advancing the development and testing of this system, which would first be applied within FF and FX own ecosystem. We could gradually integrate it with our financial subsidiary, rental platforms, and mobility partners. On S5, Capital Markets and Finance, FFAI will release its Q3 2025 financial results after marketing close on November 13, 2025. The company will host its earnings conference call at 4:30 p.m. PT, during which management will discuss the results and take questions from investors and stockholders. Now, let's look at the crypto flywheel. This week, QLGN reported that it deployed $3 million in crypto assets under a hybrid index plus active management strategy, and it will continue to apply this management model to form sustainable value returns. Also, the crypto flywheel community is currently under development. One is live. We'd love to welcome everyone to jump in, explore, and connect. Now let's look at issues, reflections, and solutions. Recently, some external platforms mistakenly displayed the company's earnings call date as November 6. Our delay in issuing a timely correction led to some misunderstanding. Although a minor mix-up, it revealed gaps in our external communication and information sync processes. Going forward, we will continue to optimize our information management and communication workflows, establishing a more robust release and verification mechanism to ensure all external communications are precise, transparent, and efficient. Stay tuned and see you next week.